Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Well, my name is Macarena López and today I am going to explain this mind map based on a video called What Does Being Nice Have to Do with Child Abuse Prevention? Well, before I start talking about this topic, it's important for you to know what child abuse is. Well, child abuse can be defined as a situation in which a parent or a caregiver, for example, whether through action or failing to act, causes injury, death, emotional harm, or risk of serious harm to a child. Well, nowadays, the increasing numbers of children being abused has made professionals to focus more on this topic, and as a consequence, they have started to propose new ways to deal with this problem. To illustrate, they think that being nice to children could make an important change in the way they are treated today. Well, if we refer to the changes that have been made so far by being nice to children, we can say that there have been some related to disciplinary practices. For example, maybe you are aware of the fact that many years ago, teachers used a ruler or a strip of bamboo, for example, to hit the palm of the hands of students or even the back of their legs to improve their behavior. Well, this whipping system was used frequently in schools, but nowadays it is not used anymore. Well, secondly, we could say that there have been some changes related to parenting. Children are not smacked anymore as it used to happen in previous generations. For instance, maybe you are one of those children that received threats such as, "I am going to use the wooden spoon if you don't control yourself." Now, you may think that was kind of funny, but when you were a child, maybe you thought that was terrifying. Well, a third change that we can see is a change in the size of child protection system. In the last 20 years, the size of the service has doubled or tripled to manage the increasing numbers of children in contact with child protection. If we see the situation happening with children in the Northern Territory of Australia, for example, we can say that they are the least safe of any child of Australia today. And that's the main reason why systems are overloaded. And this happens because they don't do prevention at all. They don't react and they don't protect. Well, fourthly, being nice to children can help to change the way we think about children, our beliefs about children, and how important and valuable they are in our world. And obviously, one of the most important things is that this would allow us to change our behavior towards children. Well, fifthly, by doing this, we can have more happy families, where children are more happy, more confident, more distressed, entertained and protected by families, friends, and the community. Well, these families are basically places in which children can be entertained if they are bored, in which they can be fed if they are hungry, or places in which they can be protected if they are afraid of something. Well, finally, being nice to children could help us to create more child-friendly communities. For example, if we refer to business, something that they can do is maybe to recognize that workers are also parents and start proposing more flexible work practices, which could make a great difference. Well, to sum up, we can say that there is a great number of things that we can make to reduce the increasing numbers of children being abused in every part of the world. Nonetheless, the most important one, as you can see, is definitely being nice to them.